What we are doing with this amendment is simply to make the law the same as it was in the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and onward, when in fact we had taken the decision and we enforced the decision to go to referendum. There was no contemplation that referendum would be anything other than this simple majority. That was always a contemplation. Recently, the United Kingdom went to referendum on the question of whether Scotland would secede from the British. It was a simple majority. The issue as to whether the British would move away from the European Union, a simple majority. Every advanced democracy in the world, when dealing with referendum, use the simple majority. And that is the norm when we have general election.
If we're going to talk about an amendment to the Referendum Act, we should also amend that section that says we're only seeking the views of the Belizean people. As the leader of the opposition rightly pointed out, under the PUP Referendum Act of 1999, it sought the approval of the Belizean people. And we must go back to that before we even talk about put anything to the Belizean people in a referendum. We must seek their approval. We need a binding referendum. We don't want no wishy-washy views like the Brexit in London, where people are questioning now whether that is binding at all on the English people, on the British people. We need a binding referendum that seeks the approval of the Belizean people, whether they vote yes or they vote no under that